Hi, my name is Francisca Sanchez. Today is April 15th, 2018. It is week 6, lab 6 of Bio 240. Today I'm going to be talking about the digestion of a hamburger and talk about how it travels through the digestive system. So first we start with the ingestion of food, and the process begins in our mouth where our teeth chew the food and stimulate exocrine glands, which release digestive enzymes like salivary amylase. Salivary amylase help to break down carbohydrates such as the bun, and then the saliva. When you chew, saliva is released, and saliva helps to make the food condense, and that's called bolus, which the food is small enough now to move from the pharynx to the esophagus. The esophagus is about 20 centimeters long, and the way food moves is through peristalsis, which helps move the food by contracting smooth muscle. So the peristalsis occurs throughout the entire digestive system. The food travels through the upper esophageal sphincter, then to the esophagus, and then through the lower esophageal sphincter. Then the food enters the stomach through the cardiac sphincter. The stomach is where food is churned and mixed up with digestive fluids, hydrochloric acid, and other digestive enzymes. There's mucus, which coats and protects the stomach. HCl, which helps kill small microorganisms, and then HCl also keeps the pH in your stomach to a level 2. Then there's also pepsin, which helps break down the protein. Food usually spends anywhere from 2 to 3 hours getting churned up or decomposing it chemically, and acid levels usually change, and more enzymes are activated or deactivated to extract and process various nutrition. Food then moves to the small intestines through, again, peristalsis is where it passes through it moves from the small intestines, passes through the pyloric sphincter into the duodenum, and then food is mixed with bile to help with the fat digestion. There are pancreatic juices and intestinal juices. There's amylase, trypsin, and lipase. They help break down food into the smallest component, where food passes through small intestine wall, which has villi. Most nutrients are absorbed in absorption is in the small intestine. Then we have the blood can absorb the nutrients, and the blood now absorbs the nutrients, and it's carried away from the small intestines through the hepatic portal vein to the liver. And the liver, that's where it filters, toxins are removed, and nutrients are processed. Food leaves the small intestines and goes into the large intestines. There's 3 parts of the large intestines. We have the cecum, the colon, and the rectum. Water is reabsorbed in the large intestine, And food that cannot go through the villi is fiber. So fiber can be stored in the large intestines, and fiber helps helps to move food through the GI tract. Food that cannot be broken down is called feces. Feces is stored in the rectum till it is expelled through the anus, and that's the process of a cheeseburger going through the digestive system. Thank you.